Imagine a world covered entirely in ice, orbiting a giant gas planet. Beneath that frozen shell lies an ocean deeper and larger than anything on Earth. This isn't science fiction. This is Europa, one of Jupiter's most fascinating moons, and a place scientists believe could harbor alien life. Europa's surface is young and smooth, scarred by long cracks and ridges that stretch for thousands of miles. These features tell us something incredible is happening below. Tidal forces from Jupiter constantly flex the moon, generating heat that keeps a global saltwater ocean liquid beneath an ice crust estimated to be 10 to 30 kilometers thick. That hidden ocean may contain twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. And where there's liquid water, chemistry, and energy, there could be life. On Earth, life thrives around deep-sea hydrothermal vents with no sunlight. If similar vents exist on Europa's rocky floor, they could provide the energy and nutrients needed for microbial life, maybe even something more complex. To investigate this ocean world, NASA launched the Europa Clipper mission in October 2024 on a SpaceX Falcon Heavy. This is the largest planetary spacecraft NASA has ever built, with solar wings stretching over 100 feet to collect faint sunlight near Jupiter. After a successful gravity assist around Mars in early 2025, the spacecraft is now cruising toward an Earth flyby in December 2026. It will finally arrive at Jupiter in April 2030 to begin its main science campaign. Because Jupiter's radiation belts are deadly, Clipper won't orbit Europa directly. Instead, it will stay in a safe orbit around Jupiter and perform 49 close flybys of the Moon, some passing just 25 kilometers above the icy surface. During each flyby, 9 powerful instruments will work together. Cameras will capture ultra-high-resolution images. Spectrometers will map salts and organic molecules. Radar will penetrate the ice to measure its thickness, and a magnetometer will confirm the ocean's presence and salinity. Other tools will sniff for plumes and analyze dust kicked up from the surface. If Europa is actively venting water plumes into space, like Hubble observations suggest, Clipper could fly right through them and sample ocean material without ever landing. Europa Clipper will work alongside Europe's JUICE mission, which arrives a year later. Together, they'll give us the most detailed picture ever of this mysterious moon. While Europa Clipper won't directly detect life, it will tell us if this frozen moon has the ingredients and conditions to support it. If the answer is yes, Europa could become the most promising place beyond Earth to search for life in our solar system, and future missions, perhaps even a lander, could follow. Do you think there's life on Europa? Comment below. Like and subscribe for more space mysteries. The ocean of Europa is calling. Thanks for watching. Keep looking up because the next big discovery might be hiding under alien ice.